Yeah, it got me. What do you know? Jumped up and bit me. Hillbilly Nitro. Here we are, guys, back with another episode of the Walk and Talk, episode 72. Let's get to it. Hope everyone is doing well today. It is a cold one here in East Tennessee. We're hovering around about 20 degrees right now. It was about 14 this morning, and it's just after 12, so it's pretty dang cold, let me tell you, and I can barely feel my fingertips. So let's get to it. Rain or shine, rain, sleet, snow, we do these videos, we don't care. Remember, guys, subscribe. Let's see here, I believe you guys are going to like what we have going on today. Another Lionsteel up on the channel. Put that right there. Let's see what we got going on. Got it wrapped up good today. Wrapped up like a Christmas present. Here we are. There we go. You guys ready? Here we go. Oh yeah. Did I forget to tell you that was Stag? Well, it may be in the title. I may put that in the title. You may have already known that. What do you think about this Stag? I got some more Stag laying off right here to the side. Check this out. If you haven't already seen that. There's some Stag. Anyways, back to where we're at. Check that out. Is that sweet or what? Hang on, we got a sticker going on, I'm sure, in this box. Let's get the sticker out. Oh yeah, we got a sticker. There's just a sticker there. It's upside down. Give a little plug where it came from. There we go. We got a Bolus clip point. I think in my last video on the clip point, I call it a drop point, but you know how it is when you don't edit your videos. You just kind of got to go with what you got. There she is, guys. Look at that. That has got some character to it. Very nice. Very nice, grasshopper. Very nice. Look at that. Let's take a look around her here. Uh-oh. Wind blowing. File that in the trash can. Let's take a look around her here. A little leatherage going on there. Like I said on the last one, I do believe these have phosphorus bronze washers in there. Boy, it's cold out here. Let's open her up here with my frostbitten fingers. That feels good. It's a light. It's kind of light. I'd say that's probably a 5. We got the fire truck coming in the background. Yeah, that's definitely a 5. Kind of light on that closing too. She's a sweetie though. Look at that Stag. That is beautiful. I love it. It's nice and deep. Let's see if we can get it. And you can see a little bit there how deep it is. you'll get some good purchase on it. Yeah, that feels good. That feels great. Very nice. What I can feel with my fingers. My thumb is about froze here. Very nice. Take a look at that centering on the money there. Yep. Very nice. Now let me wipe it off a second there. See, we got the M390 on the blade still, as usual. Lionsteel Italy. CK edition. These are collector knives, SFO, I do believe. Are made for collector knives. These are pretty cool knives. I may have to get one for my own collection. A nice modern take on some traditionals. You can get inside there. Very nice in there. I believe that's going to wrap it up, guys. I believe I'm about to go in here and warm my hands up because they are about froze. Hope you had any of you guys take a look at that lunar eclipse last night, that blood moon, super moon, whatever they were calling it. I tell you one thing, I about froze my butt off getting some pictures of it. There she is, guys. That's going to wrap it up. That is a beauty. Okay, guys. Well, that's going to wrap it up, guys. I'm going to go in the house and get warm, and we'll catch you on the next one, guys. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and see you on the next vid, guys. Yeah, Billy, over and out of here. Peace. What a sweetie pie.